Hey guys, the Blacklister here. So I just want to have a quick chat about a recent item that I purchased. It's called the Weed Whacker from Manscaped. It's an electric nose hair trimmer. This nifty little device only cost a meagre £35 with free delivery. It not only has a 9,000 RPM motor which enables it to provide a clean, smooth trim with no nicks or pulls of the hair, but also a hypoallergenic stainless steel cone tip, and it's amazingly waterproof. It's small and compact, and it comes in a small box. Here we go, lovely little box. On the inside it says Manscaped, welcome to the movement. And the contents are, drum rolls please, a lovely little cloth bag so you can take it when you go travelling and things like that. We have a brush to obviously clean it after you used it, and a USB charger. Now when the nose and hair trimmer is charged, it holds a 90-minute charge, which is absolutely brilliant, especially if you have a forest up your nose. There's an LED light on the front, and that shows the power obviously and when it needs to be charged. I've tried this little piece of wonder, and not to quote Ron Seal, but it does exactly what it says on the tin. Well, in this case, the box. The top bun screws for you to be able to clean out all the hair and the boogers, yolk, and that has been removed once you've used the Weed Whacker. This also comes charged, so you can use it as soon as it arrives. The only critique that I really have on this product is not actually the product, more the delivery. It quotes a 2-day delivery, but it arrived after 6 days, including weekends. The customer service still have not responded to my original email chasing the delivery, and to date there's still no response, even after sending 2 of them. But saying this, overall I would certainly recommend this to anybody out there who likes to kiss their woman. Women out there will appreciate it. Well, mine appreciates it. Guys, if you've liked my review of this lovely little piece of kit, please leave your comments below, good or bad. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, there is obviously a subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen of the video, or rather of the video. Why not give it a click? Alright guys, hope to see you soon.